Hey, welcome back to the channel Hard Reset Info, and today I will show you how to private message on X. So before we start, I need to mention one important thing, that on X you can only DM people who follow you or who have their DMs open to everyone. Okay, so let's open X application on my phone, and in the bottom right corner of your screen, tap this letter icon, that's your messages section, and now tap new message button that usually looks like plus sign button in the bottom right corner of your screen, and search for the person that you want to DM by typing their username. Now from the list that will appear on your screen, you have to select specific person that you want to DM, and this will redirect you to chat with this person. So finally type your message that you want to send them, and when you're ready to do it, just hit send button that looks like paper plane icon right here. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.